easily connect external devices to your soundbar using an HDMI cable. First, power off all devices. To connect to your TV, take one end and connect it to the HDMI out TV ARC port on the soundbar. Then connect the other end to the HDMI in ARC port on the TV. Now let's connect our external device. Connect another HDMI cable from the HDMI in port on your soundbar to the HDMI out port on the external device. If you're connecting a cable box or satellite receiver, it may just say HDMI. Once all the connections are made, power on all your devices. Then press Source to switch to HDMI.